Better have you done your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Simple matrix method we have seen yesterday questions. Today I'm giving some extra questions for this matrix method. Okay, fine. So let us begin. Shall I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better. Now see, listen. If matrix given A matrix is equal to this, find A inverse and hence solve the equation. Means first you have to find A inverse, don't touch the system, then and hence solve this equation. Means using this A inverse we will solve. So first for finding A inverse we have to find determinant of A. So determinant of A equal to, you know how to find determinant of A, 1 into calculation you have to check it, 1 plus 3 and then plus 1 into delete corresponding row column 2 plus 3 and then next plus 1 into delete corresponding row column, delete corresponding row column, then 2 minus 1. So final answer we are getting, that is a 4, then plus 5 and then plus 1, that is equal to 9, 10, not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. You have to check it calculation. Now we have to find the minor cofactor, so that is M11, M12, then M13, then M21, M22, and then M23, then M31, then M32, then M33. Okay, fine. Now M11 delete corresponding row column, we will get it 4. Then first row, second column, we will get it 5. Then first row, third column, we will get it, that is 1. Now second row, yes. Second row, first column, then we will get it, that is minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Then second row, second column, 1 minus 1, we will get it a 0. Then second row, third column, we will get it 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now third row, first column, we will get it a 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. 3 and 2, that is minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. And then 3, 3, that is 1 plus 2, 3. Now corresponding cofactor we will find out C11, C12, C13, then C21, C22, C23, then C31, then C32, then C33. Okay, fine. Better now once again you have to check all the calculations whether it is correct or not. Now odd number, it is even number, same sign, odd number, opposite sign, even number, same sign, odd number, opposite sign, even same sign, odd number, opposite sign, even number, same sign, that is 2, odd number, opposite sign 5 and even number, same sign we will take it, that is a 3. So finally what we are getting here, adjoint of A. So adjoint of A equal to what we are getting. I told you column wise you have to write. Yes, better. 4 minus 5, then 1, and then next column 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, that is 4 minus 5, 1. Then next column we are getting 2, 0, minus 2, and then 2, 5, 3. Okay, fine, adjoint. Now A inverse equal to what we will get it here. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. Determinant A we have 10, so 1 upon 10 into adjoint of A we have, so that is a 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, and then minus 5, 0, 5, and then next we have 1 minus 2, and then 3. Okay, fine. So first part they asked A inverse. Up to this you will get, as per board marking scheme, 3 marks you will get. And hence evaluate, means with the help of this A inverse you have to evaluate this equation, that is solve this equation x, y, z. Now how I am utilizing this A inverse, now listen. Now you have to rearrange this system. I am giving name P matrix, already A matrix is given, so I am giving P matrix. I am just rearranging in matrix form this equation, 1, 2, 1, and then minus 1, 1, 1. Better very carefully you have to listen here everybody. And then yesterday we have given A, B, then X matrix. So here we are giving P, then X matrix we used to take X, Y, Z. And then B matrix equal to, that is a Q matrix given name, so that is equal to constant what they have given here, 4, 0, then 2. Okay. Now the system can be written as Px is equal to Q, implies X is equal to P inverse Q. Where P inverse equal to, so now here you have to do one thing. What is the relation for finding this P inverse? What is the relation between this matrix and the given matrix you have to see? Now tell me better, what is the relation between this matrix and given matrix? What is the relation?
Transpose.
Exactly, well done. It's a transpose of the, either you will get same matrix, both are P matrix, A matrix, both are same. Otherwise, you will get transpose of matrix. So only there are two link, either transpose or otherwise same matrix. Where I'm writing here, beta, where P equal to P equal to A matrix, this implies P inverse equal to A inverse, means P matrix equal to A transpose implies that P inverse equal to A inverse ka whole transpose, or otherwise we can write here A transpose ka whole inverse. See, where P matrix equal to A transpose, I am taking both side transpose, so A inverse equal to A transpose ka whole inverse. Okay, now P inverse equal to, so or otherwise we can write here A inverse ka whole transpose, we can interchange it. Now P inverse equal to, we have already A inverse, take it to direct transpose both side. Okay, fine. Now 1 upon 10 into, now without, I'm not finding for this matrix minor cofactor, already we have seen what is the relation between this P matrix and A matrix. I told you there are two links, either it will be same or otherwise a transpose. If it is a transpose, then if you need this P inverse, take it, it's a transpose of this A inverse matrix, you will get directly P inverse. So that is equal to 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, and then 2, 5, 3. Are you clear? I did not find once again here what? Minor cofactor adjoint. Clear to you? Now I'm solving this equation. X is equal to P inverse Q. So this implies X, Y, Z equal to P inverse. We have 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into So 1 upon 10 into, we have 4 minus 5, 1, and then 2, 0, minus 2, and then 2, 5, 3 into Q matrix. Q matrix we have, that is 4, 0, 2. Now if I multiply, better calculation, how to check it, X, Y, Z, that is equal to 1 upon 10 into, if I multiply this 16 plus 0 plus 2, and then next we will get it 8 plus 0 minus 4, next we will get it 8 plus 0 plus 6. So we are getting that is equal to 1 upon 10 into 18. Here is a 4 and here is a 14. So that is, we are getting the value of X is equal to, you have to check the calculation data very carefully, and this determinant value also you have to check it. Now we are getting here 9 by 5 and Y equal to 2 by 5 and Z equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5. I told you for verification, you know how to do verification. You have to take it in one equation, then substitute. I am taking minus 6. That equation must contain 3 variables. I am taking this equation. X we have 9 by 5 minus 9 by 5 plus 2 by 5 and then plus 7 by 5. That is equal to, we are getting 0. Are you clear better? Are you clear? So once again, listen. In case matrix given, find A inverse. First, you should not consider this linear equation. You have to find A inverse. After finding A inverse, you collect this system P matrix, X matrix, Q matrix. Then Px is equal to Q. X is equal to P inverse Q. Now you have to check what is the relation between this P matrix and the A matrix. If it is the same matrix, write P inverse equal to A inverse. If it is a transpose, then write P inverse equal to A inverse ka whole transpose. Already we have A inverse, take it a direct transpose so that you will get P inverse. Then just solve the equation, multiply both, you will get value of X, Y, and Z. And don't forget to do verification there. Samajh aaya beta? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down beta fast, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Do fast. Done beta? Have you done? Now another type question I'm taking, note down fast. Another question I'm taking. Better write fast, बच्चे, write fast. Now I am covering all type of questions, whatever left now. Beta, shall I raise? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now beta, next question I'm doing here. आप भी साफ साफ कर लेना. Don't wait for me because you have seen already how to do all these questions, minor cofactor inverse. You have to do it. Don't wait for me. You check your answer whether your answer is correct or not. Start do. Now find A inverse. Once again, same question, but a little bit different. So what that's we will see to here. You know how to find A inverse. Everybody start do at the same time. Check my calculation also. Now start do better. I'm finding determinant of A. So 1 into that is minus 1 and then plus 2. And then plus 2 into that is a 2 0 and then next is 0. Now we are getting that is 1 plus 4 that is equal to 5 not equal to 0. Should not forget to write these are all. So exist. A inverse exists. Now I'm finding minor cofactor M11, M12, M13 and then M21, then M22, then M23, then M31, then M32, then M33. Okay, fine. Now that is equal to 1, 1, we will get it 1. That is equal to 2. Now this is a minus 4, minus 4. Now 2, 1, minus 2 and then 2, 2. We are getting 1 and then 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and then 3, 1, we will get it to 2 and then 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1 and then 3, 3 we will get, but that is minus 1 plus 4 that is equal to, we will get it a 3. Calculation you have to check. If any one element wrong, then you will get wrong answer. You will lose your marks. 2, 1, 2, 2 and then 2, 3, then 3, 1, then 3, 2. Then C 3 3. Okay. Now even number same sign, odd number opposite sign. Yes, बेटा.
I'm blur हो गई screen.
Blur हो रहे? अभी.
Ma'am, determinant A
हाँ.
Ma'am, determinant A 1 नहीं आना चाहिए.
Better see, we are getting here 1 C 1 into. Now let me explain. 1 into downward minus 1, upward plus minus 2. Yes, this is minus 2 a better. Now 1 into downward is minus 1, upward is minus 2. So that is minus 3. This is minus 3. Say here minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to exactly 1. Clear? Okay. Now rest is okay. Now this is also minus 3 there. Okay. Now here we will get it beta if any one element, I told you one element is wrong, we will get wrong answer. C13 we will get it same sign. Then this is opposite sign, same sign, opposite sign, then same sign, and then opposite sign, minus 1, same sign, that's equal to 3. Now what we are getting here, adjoint of A equal to, we are getting, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 1, 2, and then 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, fine. Now A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. Determinant A is 1, leave it. So A inverse equal to minus 3, 2, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 4, 2, 3. Okay, better. Now you have to, now see they are asking find A inverse. I find A inverse here. Now I am going to solve the system. Now I told you P, write down P matrix that is equal to the coefficient of x is 1 minus 2. There is no z coefficient. Now x, y, z, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1. Then here 0 minus 2, 1. Then x matrix equal to usual x, y, z, and then Q matrix is equal to, we will take Q matrix is equal to, what is Q matrix here? So that is a 10, 8, and then 7. Okay. Now Px is equal to Q implies x is equal to P inverse Q. I told you what is the relation between P and Q. What is the relation between, sorry, P and given matrix. What is the relation better? What is the relation? What is the relation between P and A matrix? Yes, better. Same matrix. So P equal to A matrix implies P inverse equal. You should write down if these from here, where collection of this matrix to this step, you will get 1 mark. Up to this a 4, up to this 1, sorry, up to this a 3, up to this 1, so 3 plus 1, 4. Remaining whatever you are solving, that is 2 marks. So now I am taking x, better. X, Y, Z.
M32 is minus 1, then C32 should be 1.
M32, yeah, exactly. Well done, very good. Then anywhere 3, 2. So that means second element. This element, this one, correct? Now, so this is okay. Now this is same. And now it is okay with it. Calculation is correct. Check it. Now anyhow, x is equal to P inverse Q. So that is a P inverse we have. P inverse, here you have to write down, therefore P inverse equal to we have, that is equal to minus 3, same matrix I am taking, same here, minus 2, 1, 1, then minus 4, 2, 3. Now x is equal to P inverse Q. So that is x, y, z, that is equal to P inverse we have minus 3, 2, 2, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 4, 2, 3 into Q matrix we have. So that is Q matrix 10, 8, 7. That is a 10, 8, 7. Now multiply these two, we will get it a minus 30 plus 16 plus 14. And then here minus 20 plus 8 plus 7. And then minus 40 plus 16 and then plus 21. Now tell me the calculation better. That is x, y, z, that is equal to, yes, 30, 0, 0 we are getting, 15 minus 5. Then here we are getting, that is 37 minus 3. Okay. So therefore x is equal to, we are getting 0, y equal to minus 5, z equal to minus 3. Now substitute any one equation, that equation was to contain 3 variables. So I am taking this equation where 2x minus 5 minus z equal to, we should get 8. Now let us check. So 2 into 0, 0 minus plus 5 and then plus 3, we are getting 8. LHS equal to RHS. Are you clear? Better do fast. One more question, then we will discuss the exercise. I will give some questions homework. Better write fast. I hope so. आप भी साथ साथ लिखे थे मेरे साथ. Now I will take another type. Write fast, better. Write fast. Have you written बेटा? बेटा थोड़ा फास्ट लिखने पड़ेगा. Now another question, another type I am taking here. Okay, fine. Now another type I am taking beta. Question number 3. Determine. Start right, everybody. Determine minus another most important repeated type I am giving here. -1, 3, and then 5 minus 3 minus 1. Determine product. Determine, write down beta. Determine the product of -4, 4, 4. Then -7, 1, 3. 5 minus 3 minus 1. Then 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 2. 2, 1, 3. And use it to solve equation. I'm writing x minus y plus z equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. And the most important part I'm taking. Shall I erase, beta? Shall I erase? Say yes, no, beta.
Yes.
Yes. Now another question here. You determine the product and hence solve. I told you, and hence means you have to use the previous one. You cannot use minor cofactor once again. Are you clear what I'm saying? You cannot use minor cofactor for solving this equation. Using previous one, we have to find the inverse. That is beauty of this type of questions. Okay. Now first they are asking find the product. I'm giving name AB. Okay, fine. So A matrix -4, 4, 4, -7, 1, 3, then 5 minus 3 minus 1 into B matrix 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, then 2, 1, 3. Beta product sabhi nikalo, find out fast, hurry up. Now that is at the same time check the calculation, plus 8, and then here we are getting 4 minus 8 and then plus 4, and then -4 minus 8 plus 12. And then here we are getting -7 plus 1 plus 6, and then 7 minus 2 plus 3, and then -7 minus 2, and then plus 9. Then here we are getting 5 minus 3 minus 2, and then here we are getting -5 plus 5, and then -1. That is -5. This is -5 and then plus 6. Beta calculation, you have to check it. Plus 6 and then -1. Next we are getting 5 plus 6 and then -3. Okay, now what we are getting here, that is equal to 4, 4 cancel 8. Then this is 4, 4 can 8, 0. And then here 0 and here 0. And this is 7, 10, 8. And then here 0, here 0, 0. And then here we are getting 8. Okay, better. Now that is equal to what? If I take out 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, that means I'm getting 8 into identity matrix. Now that means I'm getting AB equal to 8 into identity matrix. Now listen here, better. Whenever they say use product of two matrix and hence solve the equation, that the product either AB or BA. If they ask find BA, then you have to find BA. Whatever they ask product, that product must be some scalar into identity matrix. Otherwise, suppose if you are not getting here identity matrix, that means you are wrong, otherwise the question is wrong. That's keep in your mind. Whenever they say use product and hence solve the equation, means that product must be some scalar into identity matrix. Are you clear what I'm saying this time? Now listen. So anyhow, what they asked, find the product. That product I got here, AB equal to 8 into I. Now I'm going to solve this equation. Usual, I'm collecting P matrix. P matrix is equal to, that is 1 minus 1, 1, and then 1 minus 2, minus 2, and then 2, 1, 3. And then X matrix is equal to X, Y, Z. And then Q matrix is equal to, that is a 4, 9, 1. Now the system can be written as Px is equal to Q implies X is equal to P inverse Q, where P matrix is equal to. Now you have to check what is the relation between this P matrix and the given age or two matrix. What is the link between this P matrix and the given two matrices? So what is the link between?
P is equal to B.
P matrix is equal to B matrix. Exactly, well done, beta. Where P matrix equal to B matrix implies P inverse equal to B inverse. That means if you require P inverse, you have to find B inverse. At the same time, that B inverse using this product. That's why they say use it to solve. Minor cofactor nikaloge, that is completely wrong. You cannot use minor cofactor. Now see, using this product, how I am finding P inverse. Now since we have proved AB equal to whatever you have proved, suppose if they say BA, then you have tried BA. So AB equal to we have proved A type. We required B inverse, then post multiply, do it post multiply by B inverse. If I required A inverse, then pre-multiply by A inverse. That is up to your choice. Whatever the relation between P matrix and the given matrix, as per that you have to take multiplication here inverse. If it is related to B matrix, then multiply by B inverse. If it is related to A matrix, then multiply by A inverse. B into, so this implies, you know, B into B inverse equal to identity matrix. If you multiply by identity matrix into inverse matrix, we will get it inverse. This implies we are getting A B inverse equal to A matrix, implies B inverse equal to 1 upon 8 into A matrix, that is equal to 1 upon 8 into A matrix. We have already, this is, that is minus 4, 4, 4, that is minus 7, 1, 3, 5 minus 3, minus 1. That means directly we are getting P inverse. Are you clear, beta? Are you clear how to find the P inverse? Say yes, no, beta, immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, using product, how to find P inverse, that's I told you. Now X is equal to P inverse Q. So that is a P inverse we have 1 upon 8 into minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5 minus 3, minus 1. Into Q matrix, we have beta Q matrix. So what is a Q matrix? 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1. Now if I multiply this, I will get it minus 16 plus 36 plus 4. And then minus 28 plus 9 plus 3. And then here, beta check it calculation, 20 minus 27 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 upon 8 into, I'm getting here 40, 24 beta, 24. Now this is a 12, 12 minus 16. Then this is 28 minus 8. Okay, now therefore that is X, Y, Z. Therefore X is equal to, I'm getting 24 by 8, 3, and Y equal to, I'm getting minus 2, and Z equal to, if I divide this. Now I told you verification, take it 3 equations, substitute X minus Y plus Z equal to, I should get 4. So 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 equal to, I'm getting 4 bit. So your answer is perfectly correct. So what I told you here, tips, you have to listen very carefully. Whenever they say product, the product must be some scalar into identity matrix. Otherwise, you are wrong, question is wrong. You should get some scalar into identity matrix. Now collect these systems. After collecting the system, you have to check what is the relation between new matrix and the given two matrices. So whatever relation, if it is related to A matrix, then multiply by A inverse. If it is related to B inverse, B matrix, then multiply both sides by B inverse, so that you will get it in P inverse. Okay. So then after that, the usual method we adopted. Are you clear? Say yes, no, beta, fatafat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down. Then I will discuss your exercise, and first let me give homework. Do fast, bachi. Shall I raise this side? But I told you, be serious, everyone. Don't take it lightly. That's I told you. Either we will meet in school, we will do revision of all the topics. That's I don't know anything about it. So be serious about your syllabus. No one take responsibility of your study. You yourself feel it and do it properly. Regular homework and revise whatever we are doing. Now I'm giving homework better. After completing this, start write homework. Question number 1. If A equal to 1, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1. Find A inverse and hence solve. X minus 2y equal to 10. 2x minus y minus z equal to 8, and then minus 2y plus z equal to 7. Now number 2, if A equal to, that is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, then 1 minus 2, 1. Find A inverse and hence solve. X plus y plus z equal to 6. Y plus 3z equal to 11, x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Now question number 3, given A equal to 2, 2 minus 4, then minus 4, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5, and B matrix is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, and 0, 1, 2. Find BA. Now I am changing here, beta, find BA. Use it. That means BA equal to some scalar into identity matrix. Use it to solve. Y plus 2z equal to 7. X minus y equal to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 17. Now, last question better. Then I will discuss your NCERT book. Have you written that side? Now question number 4, use product. That is 1 minus 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4 into 2 minus 2, 0, 1, and then 9, 2 minus 3, 6, 1 minus 2. To solve, to use the product to solve. X minus y plus 2z equal to 1. 2y minus 3z equal to 1. 3x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 2. Bas beta 4 question I have given here. Now listen, what I told you here, you will get it. So now, ye question sabhi, listen here beta, question number 3. Actually, this system is related to this matrix, B matrix. But see the equation, first equation is y plus 2z, means A coefficient. So you can change the order. That's, matrix, we can interchange rows into columns, columns into rows. There is no difference. So that is a rotation. So you can arrange like this. First you can write this equation. That is 1 minus 1, 0 we have. And another equation we have this one, 2, 3, 4. And then another equation here we have, that is. So no need of taking transpose, no change, nothing. Directly you have to change this equation as per this matrix, then you have to continue. Clear to you? So these are all board question, whatever collection I have given. So when I say product means some scalar into identity, that scalar may be minus 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, 1, whatever you will get it. Are you clear? Beta, are you writing homework? Yes, beta, write down fast, hurry. Then take your NCERT book. Whatever extra types that I told you, some word problems are there, that's I will give you in assignment. Beta, time is running. Take your book fast, hurry up. Now better take it to a book. First you take it to a book, then you can note down. I will give you time. Better now come to question number, page number 136. Better have you taken page number 136, everybody? Say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see better, we have done question number 7 to 14. See 15th question you have to do homework. Question number 16, let me discuss. I am discussing question number 16. I told you that is word problem. You have to do this one is also homework. Tomorrow I will start a new topic. First I will give you assignment, then I will start new topic. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60. So I'm taking, so next to see. The cost of something 2 kg onion, 4 kg and 6 kg price is total price given. and then cost of 6 kg, whatever they given. So we don't know what they are asking. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. So let amount, that is let per kg cost of onion in a first per kg equal to, take root is x, then let cost of next one can given wheat per kg, that is equal to rupees y, then cost of next one is given here rice equal to rupees z. Like this word problem, that you have to assemble the quotient linear equation. So as per first equation, we will get 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60, and another equation, that is a 2x plus a 4y plus 6z equal to 90, and another equation we will get it 6x plus 2y and then plus 3z equal to 70. Now usual matrix method, you have to solve the equation. क्या समझ में आए बेटा? कर लोगे ये वाला? Yes, tell me. Question number 16. Yes, you can do it. Now come to better question number 1 to 6 question. Consistency. Can you remember consistent and inconsistent? What I told you, if determinant A not equal to 0, then that's it. Determinant A. Yes, tell me. Determinant A not equal to 0.
It is not equal to 0, then it is consistent.
Yes, exactly. It has a unique solution. Okay, fine. Then next condition. Next condition, tell me better. What is the next condition? Okay, you tell me next condition. Determinant A. Determinant A. अरे यार. हाँ बेटा, next condition, another condition, tell me. Yes, determinant A equal to 0, then we have to find adjoint of A into B. If hello.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
If adjoint of A into B not equal to 0, then the system is inconsistent and it has no solution. If adjoint of A into B equal to 0, then the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solution. यही बताया आपको. So उसकी अकॉर्डिंग आप डिटर्मिनेंट निकालोगे बेटा. So कल भी 1-2 क्वेश्चन और करूंगी inconsistent. So 4 to 5, 6 we will discuss tomorrow. आज जो कितने भी questions whatever I have given here, this one plus question number 15, question number 16, you have to do it. Tomorrow we will discuss 1 to 6 and plus miscellaneous, we will complete the topic. Okay? Okay? Say yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes. Have you written homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.